nomination allait être possible. Et lui-même, il s'est réjoui.
Extrêmement content, je suis très heureux d'avoir cette occasion de venir ici à Abidjan pour être à côté.
Bonsoir ma chérie, comment tu vas bien? Today is another Friday once again with our Timeless Speak French is a program on Fire TV. And I hope you have informed somebody on last week's lesson, because I know you really had a whole lot. Deep things were explained unto you. That's Fire TV for you. Today we are going to continue just on the last lesson you continued and we started last week. Is that okay? So before we go on there, I would like to give my thanks to Life Assembly Worship who opened the platform for me, and I give my thanks to my subordinates, everybody that's supporting this program to come to make it a reality. Let's Speak French is helping a whole lot of students out there, business personalities out there that are reviving their communication system in French language with their partners, business partners. That is the reason why everybody is in a hurry, everybody is in haste to come home before it's 5 o'clock. So when your child is from school, do not let your child on Friday be outside. Is that okay? Fire TV has something very nice for your child to be equipped in French-speaking language. So Fire TV, power and authority. Right now here we are going to go on. Please, do you have anybody who is having a problem and is being left home, or you've been to hospital and doctor told you you cannot work, or there's something wrong with your system? Let me tell you one thing, okay? Doctor didn't create your body. Is that okay with you? So he cannot tell you what really is wrong with you. But God created your body and he has the system packed in his own hand. So he can tell you where you should fix it, where it should be solved. That is the reason why he brought a man of God, a servant of God, Reverend Crystal Kabena Andrews, to revive, to heal her from all sicknesses. Not cure, heal her from all sicknesses. Do you have spiritual marriage? Do you have curse? You have been cursed by somebody, or you don't know one or the other. You have business, things are not working well in life for you. Just make it one day and can meet the man of God any day at all. From Monday to Monday, he's available for you. So meet the man of God, and I know you are going to leave the premises of Life Assembly with a smile all over your face. And once again, testifying to people out there what God is still doing with his power and authority available here. So just want to tell you, anybody out there want to support this program, you are welcome, okay? Just look on the screen, pick our sponsorship line. You can communicate with us and be welcome to see you once again. God. So today, let's go on with our lesson. Last week, what did you do? We talked about Montenson, and I had several phone calls. Montenson. People said they never knew Montenson could have been used as easy as possible. But here, with Fire TV, it is for you. Good. Today, we are going to go on with what? Matasa. So let's go to the board. So you have Matasa. Okay? You have Ta and Sa. Okay? Since you had last week lesson with me, today is going to be very simple for you. So just look at that. Matasa. Last week was Montenson, and I was emphasizing on today that Montenson are masculine singular nouns or word, okay? And how do we know they are masculine? You can easily know they are masculine whereby le and un can help you to denote them. Is that okay with you very well? And I also said something very nice that I ended the last lesson with was that Montenson can also agree with feminine singular nouns beginning with vowels. And I use words like what? Ami, A-M-E-E. That's A-M-I-E. In French, that's girlfriend. Okay? And I also use the word like école. That's school. Okay? These very words, ami and école, are feminine words. But they begin with what? Vowels. So they can also go with Montenson. That is the secret I'm giving you today. So let's go on to this lesson. Matasa. You have Matasa. The ma means my, ta means your, and sa means his or her. Just like the way I told you earlier on Montenson. Ma means my, ta, ton means your, and son means his or her. The same refers to this one. But what's the difference between the Montenson and the Matasa? The Montenson was for masculine, and the Matasa is for feminine. Do you get it right? It's easy for you to understand. So let's go on now. You have ma, which means my. Is that okay? It's for feminine. Feminine. Feminine singular. Okay? Feminine singular nouns. So we have a word like, how do we get to know those of the feminine nouns? We can know the feminine nouns by identifying them with la or une. You see that? I like this one. You have le and un is for masculine nouns, whilst la or une is for feminine nouns. You get it right? So today we are going to base on la or une. So whenever you see la or une before anywhere, it tells you that very word is what? A feminine noun. Once again, singular. So I want to say feminine singular. Feminine means what? Female. It refers to the female locality and female gender. And singular means it's one. Okay, singular means one. Just making that. So la and une. So you have ma. Okay, ma. It sounds ma. My, and feminine singular nouns. So let's take one noun like this. La fille. La fille. That's the girl. Okay, the girl. So I want to say my girl. I want to say my girl. So I want to say my girl in French now. How do you say? Those of you who follow the last lesson, it's easy for you to say. So I want to say, either you have to be like ma fille. You see that? Ma fille. So the ma replaced the la, or as the they replace the ma. Is that okay? So la fille becomes ma fille. Okay, ma fille. So you should always know that the la is the one helping you. Okay, one way or the other, I come to know that most of the noun that end with e, is that okay, are feminine nouns. Okay, wherever you go, tell them Prince Market says so. I say so. Okay, just help you to easily identify them, and you are moving on. So that is it. Any noun that comes with la, and you want to use my. Okay, you want to use my in French language. When you want to use my in French language, remember to know whether the noun is masculine or feminine. Is that okay? Masculine or feminine. And always keep in mind that the noun is singular. Singular means one. Okay, you are talking about one thing. One thing. That's good. So you want to use my in French. Remember, when the noun is masculine, you choose more. But when the noun is feminine, you choose ma. As we're talking about over here, the girl, not the girls. Not the girls. In English, we can say my girls. My girls. But in French, when the S is at the end, you don't use my anymore. You use different things. That could be when God permits the next lesson, next week lesson. So, okay, so good. So that's the secret for those of you who are not going to make it meet us next week. You are going to make it change your agenda and meet up for us. Okay, so let's go. My girl, my girl, my girl, my girl. Ma fille, ma fille, ma fille. So that's good. So let's go to the next one here, talking about the ta. The ta here, the ta, as I said earlier on, the ta in a tone, it means your. So this one means what? Your. This one means your. So if you want to talk about, let's assume that we say your girl. Is that okay? Your girl. Eh? La fille. La fille. Your girl. I want to say your girl. Let me put the girl over here for you. Assuming your girl. Like this. So you want to say your girl. So you will say ta fille. Like this. So it becomes ta fille. Ta fille. See the point over there? Ta fille. That's your girl. That's ta fille. Now, going on, before I say something very important for you, okay, let's go to the sa. Let's go to the sa. So the sa here, sa is the one also used as his or her. Last week lesson, I spoke on that. Okay, sa means his or her. So we can say his father or her mother, something like that. Is that okay? Good. So sa is used in that way. So sa means his, as I'm going to write for you, his or her. Okay, that's his or her. So when we come in here, like you want to say his girl in English. Is that okay? We can say his girl and her girl. Is that okay? His girl or girl. So I want you to agree on that very well. So when it comes to French, but this one is a Safi. You see, French is going to be Safi because girl is feminine. So, but in English, we can say his. Pay attention. Last week I was trying to base on this very for you. So why should in English version we can say his girl? His girl because the person speaking may be male. Do you agree on that? Good. Now, what do we say? Her girl. Her girl could be because the person speaking is a female. I want to go back again. We say his girl because the person speaking is a female. or the person the girl is relating to is a male. Is that okay? His girl, because the person the girl is relating to is a male. I can see father, his girl. Is that okay? But when it comes to her girl, because the person the girl is relating to is a female. Or when it comes to French language, what are the person the girl is relating to is a male or female. Since the girl itself is feminine, you must use sa. Let's go on again. Whether the girl is relating to a male or female, it doesn't matter here. The most important thing is that the girl gender must agree with the particular adjective. If it's a boy, it will be son. If it's a girl, it will be sa. So in French, we don't have two of these as we have in the English version. Is that okay with you there? So you have sa for only feminine singulars. Feminine singulars. That's right. Now, right down here, before you can identify this, you have to know your articles. Like I said it earlier on, you should know your le and the un. That's the le and un always help you that this very noun is masculine nouns. And the la and un help you that this noun is the feminine noun. And when you get to know of it like that, your usage, how you apply your adjective, your words in your sentences is clear. Is that okay? So you see that ma, ta, and sa. Ma means my, ta means your, and sa means his or her. As in the last week lesson, you say mon, ton, son. And the mon means my, ton means your, and we also had the son, which means what? His or her. So that is very important thing. Today's lesson is going to be very short but very cute for you, okay? So the ma, all for feminine nouns, feminine singular. That's what ma for them. So that is it. Let's continue to the ta and continue to the sa. Just go for commercial break and come right now. But always keep in mind that your article, your le, your la, your un, and une must be very, very identified. And one day too, I told you that whenever a noun end in e, it means that very noun is feminine. Take a look at that. Any other noun that does not end in e, most of them it happens that. So I want you to advise you to keep your mind that very well. Most of the nouns that do not end in e, okay, they are masculine, and most of them that end in e are feminine. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. Do not move. Thank you so much.